Hi honeybees! Today I'm going to be unboxing the Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2018. Now these come out every January. They do sell out quite quickly. It's something that Beautylish does. There are usually 2 different size packages that you can get, and it's a complete mystery. You get products that are coveted products that they have sold a lot of on Beautylish.com, maybe new products, maybe Holy Grail products for some. So I really think this is so exciting, and they always are full of really beautiful high-end products. So let's go ahead and open this. I have not even been able to take a sneak peek. I've only cut open the box because of how beautifully it was packaged. I wanted to be able to show you guys how cute this is. By the way, it says Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. This year's Lucky Bags are brought to you by the 7 lucky gods who travel the world to their magical treasure ship to grant good fortune in the coming year. Alright, so this is what it looks like, all nicely packaged. Look how cute that wrapping paper is. Oh, I'm so excited. I hope I get goodies that I haven't already tried before. Alright, so there's so much packaging here. Oh my gosh, they wrapped everything individually in this black paper so you can't even see what's inside initially. I don't think there's anything in this. Okay. So mine is all packaged in this one little mystery here. The first thing that stood out to me that I've heard so much about here on YouTube but haven't had the chance to try myself is the RCMA powder. This is the no color powder. Everyone always says that it looks like baking like spice jar. But everyone swears by this for setting their makeup and setting under eye. It says perfect universal setting powder for all skin types. No color powder contains absolutely no pigment, no perfume, no fillers, and will never alter your foundation shades or natural skin tone. It will make your makeup flawless. Okay, no flashback either. So I have not purchased that ever, so I'm excited for that. Ooh! Next is a Charlotte Tilbury lip product. This is the Hollywood Lips Matte Contour Liquid Lip. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. What is the color? I love Charlotte Tilbury lip products. And I have very few of her lip products. Oh, this is a beautiful color. It really matches what I'm wearing. Let's put this on. Alright guys, so here it is on my lips. It is such a beautiful, like, deeper mauve-y coloring. It's very, very pretty. It's more of like a mousse feel to it. The applicator is really weird. I'm not too much of a fan of the applicator, but the packaging is stunning. Look at that rose gold packaging. You can see the color through the front here. And this is the shade Showgirl. And I did go ahead and swatch it on my hand right here. I love this. So this is another big win. So the next thing I see is the Becca Glow on the Go little set. And this has Shimmering Skin Perfector in Pearl. I don't know if I have this color of the Becca highlights. I think, is Pearl the new one that just came out? I think it might be. Let's see, what's this one called? Pressed Vanilla Quartz. I don't think I have Pearl, actually. I have a lot of Becca highlights, but I don't think I have this one, so let's check it out. Oh wow, it's like white. So here is what it looks like. I don't know why I have to smell everything. I'm not too thrilled with the liquid version of it. Let me see what the powder highlight version looks like. It's so tiny, look. I mean, I'm super fair, so I could see it working well for me. Let's see how it swatches. Whoa, baby. That is poppin' when I show you guys. I layered them right there. Alright, I'll try it out. I'll try it. If I don't love it, then I will give it to a friend that will also super enjoy that. And I'm excited that it's a shade that I don't already have from Becca, because like I said, I have many highlights from them because I absolutely adore their highlights. So then I see this little package here. I have no idea what this is. This is what it looks like. So apparently this is a cleanser. It is a skincare brand. This is the Sanskrit Saponins. I'm gonna say that so wrong, I'm sorry. But it says it's a pH balanced cleansing balm. Deeply cleanses skin of oil and impurities, leaving it clean and uncongested. It goes for $28. All right, I will try it out and see. I'm sure it's a really nice skincare line. It's made in Canada. So if you have tried anything from this line, please let me know. I'm very curious. But see, that's why I love this bag, because I would have never picked this up. Otherwise, I would never have learned about that brand. So that's pretty cool. I see a Wayne Goss brush. Oh my gosh, I love Wayne Goss brushes. They're amazing, amazing quality. This is the number 20, and it looks like a really nice like detail crease brush. That's what it looks like. Or it could be really good for the inner corner or underneath the eye, blending out. Beautiful. Any Wayne Goss brush I am very, very excited for, so this is a major plus. Then I see some Skindinavia makeup finishing spray. This is holy grail status for me. I use the Urban Decay All Nighter one, which is made by Skindinavia. And I think I did have a Skindinavia product in my empties recently because I absolutely love the brand. So this will definitely get great use. And then the last thing, it looks like there's a palette underneath here. Oh my gosh, it's from Jouer. And it's the Skinny Dip palette. I wanted this. I've been wanting this forever, and I resisted because I'm like, you do not need another eyeshadow palette, Melissa. But this looks so beautiful, so I'm really, really excited to have this. So it says Ultra Foil Shimmer Shadows. There are 6 new Ultra Foil Shimmer Shadows that deliver an intense shimmery metallic finish. Oh my gosh, they are paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free. I love Jouer products, and I really don't want to hurt this packaging. So let me get some scissors up in here so I can show you. So here is what the outside packaging looks like. Oh my goodness, these are so beautiful. I'm dying. Look how beautiful these shades are. Let me go ahead and swatch them. Oh my goodness. These are so beautiful. And if you followed me for a while, if you're new, hi, please do subscribe. And happy to have you here. But if you followed me for a while, then you know I love a good shimmery shadow. Bikini is kind of disappointing, but Starlight's amazing. Let's see Skinny. Oh my goodness. Okay, I've swatched 1, 2, and 3. Oh, I've got to swatch them all. I've just got to see them all. All right, let's see. The next one is Tan Lines. Oh my goodness. Magic Hour and Midnight Swim. Holy moly. The only one that's kind of disappointing is the pink one. I feel like that's the one I would have worn the most. But oh my gosh, the taupe. This taupe one right here. Look at those. Wow, they are so metallic and gorgeous. So overall, I think I definitely had a winning bag this time around. I really love everything in it. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. I would love to have you stick around. I do lots of beauty videos here, reviews, hauls, sometimes tutorials, and I do a daily vlog where you follow me around in my daily life every week as well. Also, if you enjoyed the video, please do give this video a like. It does help me out tremendously. And I will see you guys again in the next video. Bye for now.